My dear Sheena, nais kong ipahayag ang aking pasasalamat sa Diyos na nagbigay sa akin ng isang napakagandang nilalang na makakasama ko sa habang buhay. Nang dahil sa iyo, nagbago ang direksyon ng buhay ko. Pero ang direksyon ng puso ko ay laging patungo sa puso mo. You are an amazing and wonderful woman.
Mahal, in the presence of our God, our parents, our principal sponsors, and our friends, I promise to love you. I promise to build a home full of love, laughter, and joy. I promise to support your dreams and goals in life. Wag lang Dota at COC.
Today, before God and before the people who love us, that's surrounding us today, I choose you, Shilinin, to be my partner. I am proud to be your husband and to join my life with yours. And I can't believe how lucky I am standing here with you today. I love you so much.
I always thank God for giving me a wonderful person like you. Yung taong minahal ako ng buong buo. Taong tumanggap sa akin kung sino at ano ako. Taong nagbibigay ng ngiti sa araw-araw. Mahal, for the past 7 years, I have loved you and continue to love you more until Jesus comes. I love you so much.
Di man ako naging isang perpektong nobyo para sa'yo, pero pipilitin kong maging isang mabuting asawa para sa'yo.